What are 10 truths everyone should accept in life? 1. A master has failed more times than beginner has even tried. 2. Never tell your problems to everyone. 80% don't care and the other 20% are glad you have that. 3. If you're not enjoying your work, you should either change your attitude, or change your job. 4. Degree is just a paper. Real education is seen in behavior. 5. If plan A didn't work, the alphabet has 25 more letters. Stay cool. 6. Sit with winners, the conversation will be different. Date with the better, your life's gonna change. 7. Success doesn't happen to you. It happens because of you. 8. Sometimes your heart needs more time to accept what your mind already knows. 9. The greatest power in the world is our ability to take charge of our mind and focus it on, and direct it to where we want it to be and not get directed by the mind. 10. A tip for mental health: learn to distinguish who deserves an explanation, who deserves one answer, and who deserves absolutely nothing. One more truth to accept: you can be whatever you want to be. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Watch Mentor.